Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 4 on CR 27B. It says, how is 23.87 written in words? Well, we write it in words using place value. So it's important to me that you understand your place value chart. I'm just going to start over at the hundreds place. I see I'm only in the tens, but so you have a hundreds place. Then you have a tens. And then a ones. Then you have this decimal point, and the decimal point is always read as the word and. That's how we read our decimal point. Then you have the tenths place, and then you have the hundredths place. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to write down this number. Then I have my decimal point, which I know I'll read as the word and. Okay. So here's how we read numbers. First of all, this says 23 ones. Well, this is not 23 ones. I mean, okay. It is 23 ones. It is 8 tenths. It is 7 hundredths. But that's just not how we write it. That's naming the place values. And we never say 23 ones. We'd say 2 tens, 3 ones. It's just how we'd say it. 203 and 87 hundredths. Let me show you what that number looks like. 203 and 87 hundredths. If it's 87 hundredths, the 7 will end in the hundredths place. So this one didn't have a shot, especially 23. You're right, you have 23 ones there, but we just never say that. We would say 2 tens, 3 ones, and that would name place value. Okay, I got to get over that. 23 tens, whoa, 23 tens is actually 230. If you have 23 tens, you have 230 and 87 tenths. Oh, that would be 8 and 7 tenths. This doesn't have a shot either. 8 and 7 tenths. 87 tenths is 8 ones and 7 tenths. 23 tens is 230. This is just, it's not at all how we'd read it. Woo! 23. Okay, I like this. So we have our 23 here. Good. The word and tells me that decimal point. Phew. And 87 hundredths says my number will end in the hundredths place. So 87 hundredths would be 8 tenths and 7 hundredths. That's 87. You read after the word and, you read that as 87 because it ends in the hundredths place. It's 87 hundredths. Whew. I have to tell you, place value is often a complicated topic for kids, and a lot of students struggle with place value. So if that's an area that you know you need to work on, no worries, because lots of people do. And as I go to try to tell you why the answers aren't right here, I'm like, wow, it does get complicated. I hope that helps.